Hi traders, Nathan Bray here from ACY Securities. Well, we've reached a level in the market, folks, where the market again, they look poised. They look exciting. I'm looking at this US dollar index. But to explain it, let's do a flashback, okay? A month or so ago, I was talking about this US dollar index. It was considered the worst thing in the world. The markets were weak. It was going to be a change in reserve currency. The BRICS nations were taking over the world. These were the news items coming to you live. And this US dollar was plummeting. You can even do a flashback right now and see that I was telling you this. And momentum was building. I found you ended up with headlines like, oh, weakening US dollar, we could be going in not for a soft landing, but a hard landing. Data's starting to come out poorly. They're going to cut rates. Oh, they're going to cut probably twice. And this could be the end, right? By the time it reached the bottom of the range, the stories were the BRICS are taking over. This is the end of the reserve currency, right? Well, now, folks, I hope you enjoyed that, by the way. Now we're looking at the opposite. Now we're seeing news stories. Donald Trump's in power. He wants a strong dollar. There's confidence in the United States. This stock market's going through to all-time highs. Gold's rallying. Bitcoin is going to the moon, right? This is the talk right now. But all I'm seeing, and potentially some of the bigger players in the market, are simply seeing this US dollar right at the top of this weekly range. Okay, so I am very much watching this level. I am looking for signs of failure here because we may get a correction, but a correction might be all we need for some counter trend, top of the range trades that we could be looking for. For example, if I'm looking to short or take profit on my long US dollar trades, so if I'm looking at, say, this Euro US dollar, it's all the way down at 106. This is a key weekly level. Could we potentially get a bounce here if we get some weakness or profit taking on this US dollar, which has been incredibly strong? I'm also taking a look at the Aussie. It's all the way down at daily support and weekly support at 65 cents. New Zealand's down at 59. What about gold? Gold's pulled back. And last night, it's holding that daily support level, suggesting the longer term trend is still intact. We've just seen some profit taking. Could that continue higher with a weaker US dollar? And of course, last but not least, this dollar CAD. It's retesting weekly resistance up there at 139.46, folks. There's lots of opportunities if we get some selling off in this US dollar. And who knows, it may just trade all the way back down to the bottom of the range. Good luck with your trading, and remember, keep an eye on this CPI data out tonight on the US. If that's going to come out weaker than expected, then we could definitely see reasons to profit take on this strong US dollar. By the way, if you like these levels I'm showing you, then please feel free to request access to our live interactive trading feed on Telegram, or ask our own senior market strategist Duncan Cooper in his live analysis webinars. They'll come out to you live and you'll be aware when these levels are being reached. You'll be able to see them with your own eyes, ask questions if you don't understand them, and of course you can choose to take the trades if you so wish.